The Meghalaya People's United Front (MPUF) East Jaintia Hills unit has called on the state government to expedite the implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme in the district. Speaking on the issue, MPUF East Jaintia Hills President Kershan Bla urged upon the state government to prioritize the scheme in the district as it has done in other areas. During a site inspection, the organization found that although pipes have been installed in various locations, they remain unused due to delays in water supply. Kershan Bla expressed concern over the prolonged wait for the scheme to become operational, stating that the residents have been anticipating its benefits for years. He emphasized that the timely completion of the project is crucial to improving the lives of the people in East Jaintia Hills district.
Ni kumga Sang Meghalaya People United Front MP of East Jaintia District ni dawa jor ke sarkar ban penterekam yatane JJM hangne hapo district jangi hapo East Jaintia District hado mentang ni penterekam na hapo district jangi ni kumaseng ni sulung ba ya i ba kipai bat khoi lapo dah hatri tuluyeng reka kampat boy la kan nulik snem belaya ni kupai la don ka kampat yo teng i ba chawe district la kilayo kita ka handai hane hapo district jangi kampat yo era teng ni kerpat jur sarkar ni banjur sarkar ban simkialem halor kane jeno kamu upai ba kamtam upai ba ukmi lenti balano ban yo ida ka bala mang ne sarkar pedang kamtam la mang sarkar jela barang ne re harum tangi pa yo era teng ni kumaseng ni kerpat jur samtam minum kemara ban simkialem halor kane mar le ayu bat pimbu to pa ha atliwing tong kinong kamtam kinong senang ne handai ka umbat tempat pe upai telabam sarang lut handai ka kampat pe tengi kuat baka sarkar basim khalam kum basim lem chakwe ke kiwai ki district hangne pu sentiara de basim khalam halor kane kumbangi la terpat na lenga sang MP of East Jaintia District.